The 3M Twist and Fill Cleaning Chemical Management System was developed with you in mind to help make your job safer, easier, and faster. The compact dispenser automatically mixes and dispenses solutions, so there's no contact with concentrated chemicals, no hand mixing or mess. Check with your supervisor about specific facility policies and procedures that may require personal protective equipment like utility gloves, disposable gloves, or safety glasses. Twist and Fill always gives you the correctly diluted product for your job, whether you're using a trigger sprayer, a mop and bucket, flat mop, or other equipment, and you can always find the right product. The tamper-resistant bottles are numbered and color-coded. The bottles are easy to handle and use. You can change them in seconds. Assuming the unit is ready for use, here's how you use the Twist and Fill system. Using the Quick Connect, attach the hose to the faucet and turn the cold water on all the way. The water has to be turned on for the dispenser to work correctly. Next, pick the right 3M product for your job and put the bottle into the dispenser. Each chemical is numbered and color-coded so you always know you're using the right one. Just make sure the container you're dispensing chemicals into is labeled correctly. Proper identification on all containers avoids problems and ensures that the right chemical is always used for each job. First, you must determine if you're going to fill a spray bottle, bucket, or other container. Bottles with an L and a picture of a spray bottle are for filling spray bottles. L stands for low flow rate, which is 1 gallon per minute. This flow rate makes filling spray bottles easy. Bottles with an H and a picture of a mop and bucket are for filling buckets or other large containers. The H means high flow rate. These chemicals dispense at 3 gallons per minute, saving you time and ensuring consistency. To fill a spray bottle, carefully twist the bottle in the dispenser like this, clockwise, until it stops. That's why it's called Twist and Fill. Water and chemical concentrate both dispense at the same time with one easy twist, making ready-to-use chemicals for the job. Taking a closer look, it's 3M's unique gravity-fed dispensing technology that allows the chemical concentrate to fall at a constant rate and mix with the water to guarantee accurate mixing every time. Other dispensing systems, called Venturi-fed systems, operate differently in that they rely on the velocity of water to pull the chemical concentrate out of the container like a vacuum into the water stream to make ready-to-use chemicals. As water pressure changes within a building, the chemical concentration that's being pulled into the water stream can vary, causing the products to become over or under-diluted once dispensed into a container. This inaccurate mixing can result in increased costs and poor product performance. To turn off the flow, twist the bottle in the other direction, counterclockwise, until it stops at the off arrow. Be careful not to twist it too hard or too far. Remove the bottle from the dispenser and put it back in the rack with the cap up. And finally, turn off the water. You should also press the button or banjo to get rid of any extra water pressure after the water is turned off. Some states require a pressure release valve. So if you have a pressure release valve, it is not necessary to press the banjo after shutting off the water. If you ever need to use plain water without product, just press the banjo when the water is turned on. To fill mop buckets, first select the proper chemical by looking at the label. Next, attach the large hose, which hangs on the side of the dispenser when it's not being used. You don't have to remove the small dispensing tube. Slide it right over the small tube. Line up the notches and twist it clockwise until snug. The 3M Twist and Fill system also has an 8-foot hose for use with various equipment like an auto scrubber. It attaches in the same manner as the shorter hose. That's all there is to it. The Twist and Fill system adds the right amount of chemical to the water every time, so it makes your job easier and faster.